creek. Down here, we're gonna try to catch some, just whatever bites. Just had a bite. Pretty much micro fishing for little fish. Oh, Caleb got one. Little perch.
This is the same one, actually.
I haven't caught one yet.
Just this beautiful beach.
I don't know why they ain't biting. You got one?
Oh, that's a bass. This is a bass.
Let me see. Oh my gosh, that's a good one. Let me look.
It's on a chub.
Let me get it off. Alright.
But this isn't a chub, it's a bass. Isn't it?
Grab. Slip. Got something really tiny. Little perch. There she is. Alright.
That is a good fruit.
It's fat. Ow. Pokey. There he goes. You stuck? Put your drag up. Probably didn't break it.
Yeah,
Get back to you, catch some more. We're in a new spot, and I just caught this giant bass out of this tiny creek. Alright, I'm going to take this sucker off, and I'm going to show you guys. Look at the size of that thing. That's a good one in this little creek. Alright, see you when we catch it. Just caught a giant perch. Oh, got it! Oh, dude, I thought I had one. Here, look.
Oh my god, dude, its teeth are sharp.
Alright, see you when we catch one. We just caught the biggest chub I've ever caught in my life. Look at the size of that thing. Look at that giant chub. That thing is a beast. Holy crap. Look at those. Oh god. Scared me to death. Look at the size of that chub. See, when we get to the creek and we, Caleb just caught a nice, pretty good little perch. Bring it up. I'll bring it. I'll grab it. See it? Here, you can take it off. I'll show him.
I barely hooked it.
Yeah, I got it. Right, yeah. Alright, see you when we catch another one. Bye. I just caught another little chub. Show you it. This is a pretty good one. Good little chub. Fishing at this little spot right here. Change spots. So slimy. Alright. Try a little bit more down here. Dang it. Got a good one. It's a pretty sized one. I'm going in a deeper area. See if I can catch him. Dang it, just broke my line.